Are you wondering how to move to New York City on a budget in 2024 without breaking the bank? Well, you're not alone. Many dream of living in the Big Apple but are daunted by the high living expenses. Fear not, because with a bit of planning and some insider tips, you can make your move to New York City both affordable and exciting. So stay tuned to find out. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Peter McLean and finding your home is my mission. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on many aspiring New Yorkers' minds: how to move to New York City on a budget in 2024. Moving to this vibrant city can be a thrilling adventure, but it's essential to be prepared for the financial realities. Let's explore some practical tips to make your dream of living in New York City a reality without emptying your wallet. Number 1. Find affordable housing. Living expenses in New York can be eye-watering, especially when it comes to housing. But don't worry, there are ways to make it work. First things first, consider looking beyond Manhattan. Boroughs like Brooklyn, Queens, and the Bronx often offer more bang for your buck. In 2024, up-and-coming neighborhoods like Bushwick in Brooklyn and Ridgewood in Queens are becoming increasingly popular among budget-conscious New Yorkers. Pro tip: use apps like StreetEasy or Zillow to get a feel for prices in different areas. And don't be afraid to negotiate. In 2024, many landlords are offering concessions like 1 month's free rent or reduced security deposits to attract tenants. Remember, what living in New York City is really like often depends upon where you live. Each neighborhood has its own unique vibe, so do your research and find out one that fits your personality and your budget. Number 2. Mastering the art of public transportation. One of the best ways to save money in New York City is by ditching the car and embracing public transit. The subway system might seem overwhelming at first, but it's a lifesaver once you get the hang of it. In 2024, the MTA is rolling out more digital payment options, making it easier than ever to navigate the city. Invest in a monthly Metro card, about $127, and that's for unlimited rides. If you're a frequent traveler, this can save you a lot of money compared to individual fares. Plus, walking and biking are great options for shorter distances, and they're the best price of all, free. Number 3. Eating well without breaking the bank. What I wish I knew before moving to New York City is that you don't have to spend a fortune to eat well. Sure, there are plenty of fancy restaurants, but the city is also a paradise for budget foodies. In 2024, food halls like Time Out Market in Brooklyn and Essex Market on the Lower East Side are more popular than ever, offering a variety of cuisines at reasonable prices. And don't underestimate the power of street food either. A classic New York slice or halal cart meal can be both delicious and wallet-friendly. And for grocery shopping, check out local markets and stores like Trader Joe's, which I love, and Aldi for better deals than upscale supermarkets. Number 4. Furnishing a new pad on a dime. When it comes to furnishing your new NYC apartment, think second-hand and DIY. Websites like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and Art Deco are goldmines for gently used furniture at a fraction of the retail price. In 2024, there's also a growing trend for furniture rental services like Feather, which can be a great option if you're not ready to commit to buying pieces outright. IKEA is always a reliable option for budget-friendly furniture, if you can work out how to put the pieces together. And don't forget about local thrift stores and flea markets. The Brooklyn Flea, for instance, is a treasure trove of unique affordable items that can give your space some real New York character. Number 5. Finding free or cheap entertainment. One of the best things about living in New York City is that you don't have to spend a lot to have a good time. Many world-class museums, like the Metropolitan Museum of Art, offer a pay-what-you-wish admission for New York residents. In 2024, more museums are introducing evening hours with discounted tickets. Central Park and other city parks offer free concerts and events throughout the year. Websites like The Skint and Time Out New York are great resources for finding free or low-cost activities happening around the city. Number 6. Budgeting like a pro. When it comes to how to afford to live in New York City, budgeting is the key. The cost of living in New York City in 2024 is no joke, but with some smart planning, it's manageable. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. A good rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to necessities like rent, utilities and groceries, 30% to wants such as entertainment and dining out, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Adjust these percentages based on your personal situation and New York City's higher cost of living. Remember, living in New York often means making trade-offs. You might have to sacrifice some square footage or live with roommates to afford a better location. It's all about figuring out what's most important to you. In a nutshell, moving to New York City on a budget in 2024 is challenging, but it's totally doable. It's about being smart with your money, embracing the city's unique lifestyle, and being open to new experiences. Yes, it can be tough at times, but the moment you're watching the sunset from the Brooklyn Bridge or stumbling upon a hidden jazz club in the village, you'll know it was all worth it. Welcome to the concrete jungle known as New York City. You're going to love it here. I do. If you like this video and would like to see more content, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Peter McLean and I'm a real estate agent with Corcoran here in New York City. Contact me if I can be of service to you. My contact info is in the description box below. If you want to receive epic topics about the city of New York, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and on all my other socials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, your home is my mission.